Let's review the available features on the Pro version that you can buy on the website. So first, we have several different new backgrounds. So for example, here we have a purple background. We can also use a white background. Or we can use this one with squares. We can also change the fonts, so I'm using different fonts. You can see how the panels change. We have a lot of new available themes for the panels. So as you can see, none of these are available in the standard version. One extra feature of the Pro version is that I can enlarge the plots, which is something I can't do in the standard one. And I also have a plots mode, similar to the data frame mode. Here I can see all the plots stacked next to each other. And finally, I have a project history window whenever I open a project, and I can see inside the evolution of the project, how it changed, how many panels were there, how many lines of code I had, and how it evolved through time.